Sarojini Naidu was
Wait. Hi children, very happy afternoon all of you. So ఈ రోజు మన ఇన్స్పైరింగ్ పర్సనాలిటీస్ లో భాగంగా మనం సరోజిని నాయుడు గారి గురించి తెలుసుకోబోతున్నాము. ఓకే, అశ్రిత మనకు సరోజిని నాయుడు గారి గురించి చెప్పబోతోంది. ఓకే అశ్రిత, ఓవర్ టు యు నాన్న.
Ma'am, yeah, ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone, and ma'am. So today I'm going to tell about Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu was born on 13th February 1879 in Hyderabad, India.
కొంచెం స్లోగా చెప్పు. They have to write down, no?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah.
Sarojini Naidu was born on 13th February 1879 in Hyderabad, India. To a Bengali family.
Repeat the date.
13th February 1879. Her father's name was Agoranath Chattopadhyay and her mother's name was Varda Sundari Devi. So she was a brilliant student and she pursued her education in Chennai and England.
What is her mother name?
Varda Sundari Devi. She had a keen interest in poetry and started writing poems during her schooling years and continued to author them throughout her life. Sarojini Naidu's renowned work as poet earned her the title as Nightingale of India. Her first collection of poems, The Golden Threshold, was published in 1905. She was not only a poet but also was an eminent leader and politician. She was influenced by Gandhi's ideology and devoted herself to India's freedom movement. In 1925, Sarojini Naidu was elected as the first Indian female president of Indian National Congress. The British government has awarded her with Kesari Hind, a medal which she returned in 1920 in the protest of Jallianwala Bagh massacre. She led the civil.
Please tell slowly.
Okay. She led the civil disobedience movement and Quit India movement, along with Gandhiji and her leaders, for which she had to go to jail. Sarojini Naidu was appointed as the first female governor of any state, and it is Uttar Pradesh. Post India's independence, she was also known for activism on women's rights and worked for women's empowerment and development. On 2nd March 1949, our Nightingale passed away at the Government House in Lucknow. India at the age of Okay. On 2nd March 1949, our Nightingale passed away at the Government House in Lucknow. India at the age of 70. To honor her contributions towards women welfare, February 13th is celebrated as National Women's Day in India. As a way to show respect and admiration to Sarojini
Repeat the
Naidu,
date.
which the birth date or when she died.
Which date you want, Nana?
Women's Day.
Yeah, to honor her contributions towards women welfare. February 13th is celebrated as National Women's Day in India. As a way to show respect and admiration to Sarojini Naidu, many colleges, hospitals, and other institutions are named after her. Sarojini Naidu will always be remembered as a prominent freedom fighter, leader, poet, and an advocate of women's empowerment. Yeah, can I ask questions?
Okay, just wait. While asking the question, you take their name. Okay.
Okay.
Any doubts, Varshit? Do you want any information?
What is the
Ma'am, her father name, can she repeat once again?
Okay.
Her father name is Agorana Chattopadhyay. Ma'am, can I ask questions?
Okay, children, is it clear for all? Any doubts?
Yes, ma'am.
Abhya, do you have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So
No,
you
ma'am.
can ask. Yeah. Shrita, now you can take the question session. Yeah.
Chinmay. Sarojini Naidu was born on? Yeah?
13th.
Yeah. 13th? Yeah, date and the year.
13th February.
Yes, and the year when she was born.
Can I tell?
No, I asked Chinmay.
Put in message, Nana. 13th February 1879.
Yeah,
That's right, Chinmay.
Bhavyasri.
Yes.
What's her father name?
Signal issue maybe. You put in a message. You can put in chat if you have any signal.
Goranath.
Okay, that's right answer.
Can I tell?
Nice. Varshit.
No,
Agoranath Chattopadhyay.
Varshit, can you repeat it?
Agoranath Chattopadhyay.
Okay, Ashrita. Tell the question and answer.
What was her father name? And the answer is Agoranath Chattopadhyay.
Adhyaya. Okay.
Next question is for Hari Prasad.
Harshit. Yeah.
What's her mother name?
Yeah, Bhavya, that's right answer. Aghoranath. Harshit, what's her mother name? What is the mother name of Sarojini Naidu? Yeah, maybe signal issue, Nana. You transfer the question to other person.
Chinmay.
Yeah.
Yeah. What was her mother name?
Vardasundari Devi.
Okay.
That's right answer.
Yeah, ma'am. Sai Dheeraj. Sarojini Naidu's renowned work as poet earned her the title as
Nightingale of India.
yes. So Bhavya Sri. When was the poem The Golden Threshold was published? Ma'am, she left.
Just wait, don't reveal the answer now, just we will see. Okay, once again you repeat the question.
Ma'am, can I should repeat the question?
Yeah.
When was the poem The Golden Threshold was published?
Anybody, do you have idea?
2nd March 1949.
1 minute, I'll check the answer. No, it was published in 19. Yes. Okay, next
Fine.
question.
Okay, Chinmay, right answer.
Sai Dheeraj. In which year Sarojini Naidu was elected as the first Indian female president of the Indian National Congress?
1925.
Okay, wait a minute. 1925. It's 1925.
Ma'am, I tell you, ma'am.
Okay.
Actually, the year is 1925, not 1945. Next is Varshit.
25 only.
Okay.
Because you
Next is
told, but
Varshit.
it is not, we cannot listen clearly, Nana. Okay. Yeah, continue, Ashrita.
When was Sarojini Naidu started writing poems? Varshit.
Actually, 1949.
No, she started writing poems at her schooling years. She started writing poems at her schooling years.
1949.
No, actually, she started writing poems at her schooling years. Next question is for Bhavya Sri.
Yes.
Yes. The British government has awarded her with which medal?
The Nightingale of India.
No. The question is, the British government had awarded her with which medal?
Can I tell you?
They awarded her with Kesari Hind medal. So next question is for Sai Dheeraj. So Sarojini Naidu was appointed as the first female government of which state?
Repeat the question.
Sarojini Naidu was appointed as the first female government of which state?
Lucknow.
No, it's Uttar Pradesh. So next question.
You tell Lucknow.
No, Uttar Pradesh. It's Uttar Pradesh. So when did Sarojini Naidu died? Question. When did Sarojini Naidu die? Chinmay.
Can I tell?
Yes.
Can I tell?
Yes, continue.
2nd March 1949.
Yes, correct. In which state?
Which?
State. She died on 2nd March 1949 in state Lucknow.
Lucknow.
Yes.
Lucknow.
Yeah.
Lucknow.
To honor her contributions towards women welfare, February 13th is celebrated as
National Women's Day.
okay. Okay, 1 minute. Yeah. Ma'am, yeah, ma'am. I have finished. Ma'am, yeah, ma'am. I have finished. I have asked questions. Ma'am, I have finished asking questions.
Okay, Nana. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
So today we are completing here, right? Tomorrow, Sai Harshit, be ready.
Yes,
Okay. Bhavya, when will you say Bhavya?
ma'am. I'll say, this is my first ma'am.
Yeah.
After seeing some.
After 2-3 days,
Season on.
right? 25th, yeah, 25th onwards, we are going to